I'll just be close and I'll call you. Okay?
What, you gonna find a bird today?
No,
Baby
we're gonna
bird?
find the bird.
Chick?
Yes. We're
But
gonna
why
find
don't we
it.
watch the swan? Because it's not easy to find the swan these days.
You look, you make a video when I found one. I'm
Definitely.
gonna call you. Then you're
But
gonna-
I say, okay, if you find baby bird, don't touch it, okay? Because we are not allowed to touch, yeah?
They're just COVID.
Yeah, they're not COVID, but don't touch it, okay?
Yeah, they might get scared. But
Because
wait,
if you touch it,
if you touch it and they'll poop.
No,
And
no,
their-
no, no,
and
no,
their
no,
mom
no,
is
no.
gonna be so happy.
if you touch them, their mom and dad might don't take them home anymore, okay?
Because they might thought that the baby bird
Love you, not their mom, okay? That's
Yeah.
fine. Oh yeah,
So
okay.
you cannot touch.
Okay, can I take a video of the swan?
Yes, I know 5 more.
Tashi! Wow, 1, 2, 3, 4 swan. Very big one. No one disturbing them, or they don't care. They are having their small ride. I think there is a baby bird is calling. There. I think the sound is coming from there. Today again they found a baby bird is calling. So let's go find out.
Yes, I can hear it. Let's go
It's
back in
calling. The mom is calling, so it should be there.
the- Okay, look at me. Get me the good screen.
Slow, slow. Don't smash the baby bird.
It's over there.
First find their mom.
Oh my god.
Oh, he go away.
Cannot touch those.
Okay, then no more. Come back. Wait, this is too much nasty place. Come.
Okay. I'm going to snow.
Yeah, I think they.
Your mama.
Mhm.
So that they'll be okay. Keep going.
Okay, people are coming, so you have to move.
Oh, the roller skaters.
Move. Don't cross the road. Wow.
Just like racers.
Yeah, they are doing a competition, and this track is for them, for their practice. That's why it's so plain, so they can practice. Yeah, this is the track.
And that's what it's walking, right? We can put some fun. Mama, maybe I don't need that. That's maybe a dog poop.
Huh?
That's maybe a dog.
So this is the bird that they catch, and then now they grow up and they started flying. They're still here, so I think their nest is around. And they are still walking. It's hard to see, but my kids is again behind them. But now they know how to fly, so they will not be able to catch. Now they can fly, so you cannot catch them anymore. This is the baby one, they grow up.
Yeah, but how they grow so fast?
Yeah, they grow up, their mom teach them how to fly, so they cannot
It's not make any sound. This is making sound. So you gotta hold it. I'm going.
And they're going. You can try, but now they know how to fly, so you'll not be able to catch. No one can catch them anymore. They know how to fly, but you can try. Go slowly. No hopping. They're just walking like so fast. It seems like they like to. Yeah, they are very smart now. We help them, but now they grow up, so they are smart. Look. Okay, that left. You know that they grow up and then you cannot catch them anymore. Yeah, he came again. He's here, but you cannot catch them.
Why? But we help them. What's the
They are not your pet that you can call and they'll come. They are not your pet.
But we help them when
We helped them once, but now now they are very smart. They can fly. Okay, no more. I stop the video.